Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate TikTok Ads Manager for Keyword Research Insights, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate TikTok Ads Manager for Keyword Research Insights, start by navigating to the TikTok Ads Manager website. If you don't already have an account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, including your email address and password. After registering, check your email for a verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, log into your TikTok Ads Manager using your credentials. On the dashboard, locate the Tools section. Click on Keyword Insights to start your research process. At this point, you may need to authenticate your account for full access. Look for the prompts indicating authentication requirements. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your TikTok account with your Ads Manager. This may involve granting permissions for TikTok to access your account data. Once authenticated, you will gain access to various keyword research tools and insights. Enter relevant keywords in the search bar to discover trending content and user engagement. Review the suggested keywords and their performance metrics to identify opportunities. Use the filters available to narrow down your results based on your specific needs. Analyze the data provided, including search volume and competition levels. Now, you can compile a list of effective keywords for your TikTok ad campaigns. Remember to regularly revisit the Keyword Insights tool to stay updated on trends. With your authenticated TikTok Ads Manager, you are now equipped to enhance your advertising strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.